Today we're going to talk about what to do if you're ever in an auto accident. As winter sets in, roads get a little dicey, road conditions get a little deteriorated with snow, ice, and fog. So we wanted to give you our best tips on what to do if you or your family are ever in an auto accident. Step number one, priority number one, make sure everybody's safe. Pull your vehicles off to the side of the road if you can, get everybody into a safe spot so you can assess the damage. If anyone needs medical attention, call 911, get an ambulance out there, get some EMTs on the scene so they can get everybody checked over and make sure everybody is safe. And we are here in Iowa, so Iowa law requires if you deem the accident damage as $1,500 or more, the police have to be involved and they have to file their report. So if you feel that damage is above $1,500, call the police and get them on the scene. And then you yourself should document the scene as well. Get your smartphone out, take some pictures, take pictures of the damage, get license plate numbers as well. So that way you have a lot of information in your arsenal in case you need that for any insurance claims. So take pictures, document the scene. And then finally, exchange insurance information with the person involved. Get their contact information, get their insurance information. That way you guys can open that line of communication right away and get the claim started. So those are our best tips. Hopefully that helps you if you ever find yourself in an accident.